Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do something very interesting. Do you know what it is? Let's find out. Before diving into the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Tutopedia.72. Today's topic is sight words. Sight words. A sight word is a word that a reader is encouraged to recognize and read automatically at a glance or by sight without needing to sound it out using phonic rules. A word becomes a sight word when a reader can instantly identify it. This is often achieved through memorizing and repeated exposure, especially for high frequency and irregular words. Now we will study two-letter sight words. You have to repeat after me. Am. 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 An. An. As. 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 At. 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 B. By. By. Do. Go. Go. He. He. If. In. Is. It. It. Me. Why, my. 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 Oh, no. 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 Off. 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 On. On. So. To. Up. Up. Us. You like the video? Please like, share and subscribe this video and all our other YouTube videos to your friends and family and help us grow. Keep supporting. Bye bye.